Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise of 16 years of my life that I've been developing and structuring the secrets in the area of health, body shape, weight loss, dieting. I've been professional swimmer, professional model. I've been traveling around the world, living in different countries and structuring how to have a corporate life, business life, how to work, how to still be healthy, how to have a time for working out, how to eat well and keep the shape that would be nurturing you not only physically but also emotionally, because I stand also an advocate for your mental health, for your self-confidence, how you reflect to yourself. And this is, you cannot pretend and you cannot lie to others and just show up that you're in a self-love state, because this is really true matter when you wake up to yourself in the mirror and what kind of thoughts you have in your head, how you reflect to yourself, to your body shape. Maybe there's some imperfections, because we are all have imperfections. It's absolutely normal, but how do you relate to them? How do you talk about yourself to yourself? Because we all do this. Let's agree, let's be honest right now here. And what I offer to you, I offer you my expertise, and I offer customized coaching programs that I offer online. If you want to know more about it, I also offer a free consultation call. To book this consultation call, you need to send me a message on a social media. I link the social media accounts of mine here in description of this video. Send me a message, say that you want to have this free consultation call. I will share with you a Google form to fill. We will set up the date and we will meet, discuss further how to transform your life. In today's video, I want to share with you about how your physical appeal, how your physical shape reflects and defines your success in life. So is it success for the love, for career, for personal growth, for business? It's all also interconnected with your body shape. So in one of my recent videos, there is one lady have been commented that she know in her environment the successful couples, I believe she meant successful couples or successful person. Sorry, my phone just get notifications that I have only 10% battery to record this video. So she know in her environment couples or person who may be out a bit of shape but still very successful. She didn't say very, but still successful in love, in dating, in business, but lacking a health. So this is already not a success. What I stand for and what I advocate for and what I'm translating here for you in this channel, that success is possible to conquer in each area. You can have a health, you can have business, you can have love, you can have a family, prosperity, everything. And the solid foundation for this is your fundamental health, your physical appeal, and not only like superficial and outside appeal of your physical shape, but it's also a reflection of your inner side, how the whole body system works from inside. This is a reflection of how you look. Again, how glowing you are, your mental health, your mindset, your self-confidence, your self-esteem, your self-worth, how you relate to yourself. Especially as a woman, we have so many traumatized experiences with our exes, with our childhood traumas, with our insecurities, with being bullied, with, for example, me, myself, I was with specs in a school, so I have such a traumatic experience about specs. I was so shy about it. So we all have this insecurities. So to overcome and to be glowing, be magnetic, so others feel this radiation from you, and it would be like kind of Harry Potter experience when you reach this point that all doors are opening for you and there's a lot of opportunities, collaborations, dating lives, life one, elevating your personal growth, your belief in your ideas, in your dreams. It also elevates because you have this kind of wings behind your back. You believe in yourself because you know that actually this body, you take control in your hands and you reshape it. So for example, if there is a success in a love story, it's a bit superficial, for example, I would say, to judge as a perspective, even if it's your close friend, if it's your sister, if it's your relative, because you do not know what's happening really inside those family, what's happening in their bedroom. You do not know how much they are happy. But even so, if right now they're happy, I cannot also say maybe they're already happy, they do not need anything else. But to take a perspective from 5-10 years in the future, from this moment, if they keep going with the same habits, with the same lifestyle, with the same eating habits, with the same nourishment, no workouts or very few working outs regimes in a day, or sorry, in a week, in a month, so they may tend, most of the time, women gain more weight, guys stay a little bit in a shape, but for guy, gray hair, no problem, scars, no problem, some extra weight on his tummy, it's also no problem, he become just more mature man. But for women, society and judgment that if she put extra weight and she gets some wrinkles, she gets some stretch mark, she's getting out of shape, she's getting like also low on confidence, because again, this propaganda on social media, on magazine cover, everything like too much Photoshop, too much perfection, which is not authentic, not real. We all know there is Photoshop, we know there's a lot of oil, cosmetic, makeup to get these results, but still a woman, an average woman on the street with low hair self-esteem. So even the successful power couple, in 5-10 years from now, when she would gain weight, he would go out and see this sexual appeal somewhere else, because he wouldn't be driven to this woman anymore, where they was dreaming in the first place, where they met, maybe before they get the kids, afterwards. But then with the age, when she know that he's by her side, the ring on her finger, no need to do anything extra. But this is not a point that you need to do something extra for him. You need to do it for yourself, because this is your self-esteem, self-worth, self-respect. Because you know, when you wake up to the mirror, when you look at yourself, you love yourself, because you know that you are doing so much for your health, for your body. And it's not, I'm not talking here just for looks, for six abs, for beautiful legs. I mean, I talk also about this, but it's about this inner stamina that you're developing at the same time when you're building up your body shape, your physical appeal, your booty, your workout, your push-ups, your abs. It's sweat. Yes, it's required work. And this is when you go through this sweat, through this work, when you get through this commitment, when you know how hard it could be, when you go through the period, after period, when you feel lazy, but you still go, you still push, then you have so much pride. You have so much proudness for yourself that you have done it. And in a few weeks, few months, half year, you see these results in the mirror and you are like, oh, wait a second. Wow, look at me, I'm so gorgeous, I'm so sexy, I'm so fit, I need to change my wardrobe because it's getting looser, I want to get this dress, I want to have a more open or more shorter skirt. You get this boldness and openness because it's not about showing up that you lose weight. It's about this confidence that was there inside but wasn't open enough because you have shyness of this weight, of these wrinkles, or something. And guess what? You lose weight, you get your shape in a place, you change your wardrobe, maybe you change some makeup style, maybe you change your hairstyle, because we all women tend to change something in life also with our hairstyle. Not always success story, but still a good to go one. And then guess what? The next step is your dating life. If you are single, if you are married, no matter, it would take the new level because you would become a new woman. You would attract more and more. You will be magnetic. You would have this radiant energy of feminism, not feminism in a bad way, as feminine energy from you. So it would be like a butterflies coming to the flower. You would attract those power, those collaborations, opportunity. Your career would also take a different angle because again, those shyness that was inside is also maybe for some ideas and dreams that you have, but you wasn't able to step out and pursue them. But now, when you have this shape, when you get these looks, when you feel so confident in your skin, when you love how you look, when you know that you are unstoppable, you can conquer anything. You can go and speak to the CEO, you can go and find yourself investor to invest in your projects that you dream for last 10 years, 5 years, 2 years. You want to pursue those dreams and make it to the reality. So you see how it's everything interconnected. And as a bonus, as a beautiful bonus, you get your health in place. You nurture your eating habits, you nurture and getting very easily, effortlessly committed to the regular exercise, which again benefit your health from inside out, your physical appearance. You nurture your eating habits, you stabilize your mental health, so you are more resistant towards stress, you are more happy, you are more vibrant, you are more vivacious, you are more ecstatic, you are more happy woman and human being, and you attract the same. You are more in love with yourself and you attract love from the universe. There is a spirituality aspect, there is a physical aspect, there is a self-love aspect, there is a mental health, there is a nurturing, there is so much in this. Dating life, professional life, career, all of this that builds up on the foundation of your physical shape, your body shape, your appearance, because we women, we are creatures who need this adornment, not only from our men, from the society, from a girlfriends, from a parents, from a cousin, because you feel when eyeballs, even without any vocabulary, if there is eyeballs on you, you already get this like a sunshine, you get this sun rays on you, and you get this empowerment from inside. You know that you're unstoppable, you can do anything and everything, and this is what changing your life on a 360, on a 180 degree. So if you are ready to take this step and transform your life on 180 and conquer your pursuing your dreams, changing your lifestyle, changing your habits, getting on physical exercise, nurturing your body, here I am offering my help. Send me a message, inquire for a free consultation call, and we will take from there. See you in the next video.